You will love this delicious Mexican chicken marinade recipe. I love to use this recipe anytime we have a cookout with friends. Start by deseeding and divining the dried chilies. You will need 8 guajillo chilies, 1 ancho chilies, and 1 pasilla chilies. I buy these at my local Mexican store. While you are cleaning the chilies, start boiling some water. This will be used to hydrate the chilies in. You will need about 4 cups of boiling water. Next, you will need a dish to put the chilies in. Add the dried chilies and then fill them with the boiling water.